Hello mga mamis! Hi! My name is Gretchen. Nandito ako para mag-inspire sa inyo na kayo ba ay pagod na magtrabaho ng multiple jobs at always overtime lagi just to make ends meet. Pero at the end of the month, halos wala na rin maiwan sa mga paycheck nyo kasi kulang na kulang pa rin pang bayad. Mami, I was there in your shoes before, but I have this business opportunity that I found 2 years ago. I used to be working in a healthcare industry. I was drained, exhausted, working 7 days a week. Wala akong day off, always working overtime all the time. But at the end of the month, I'm still living paycheck to paycheck. Tired, I'm always, getting sick. Lagi akong nagpupunta sa doktor every week just because masakit na yung mata ko, masakit na yung kamay ko sa overtime, dito sa computer. At natakot ako na mangyari, kung ano namang mangyari sa akin. Kaya, I pray to God for a way out. I was worried myself because, keep coming back to the doctor. But then, after that, I'm still doing the same thing. I feel like, I'm living the same circle of life, financially struggling. So, nakita ko itong, business online 2 years ago. I just asked the God to give me the sign that, I can do work extra income online from the comfort of my home without me, sacrificing my health and my time, with my family, even in myself. I don't have time. And then, I stumbled upon this ad and then the rest is history. So ngayon guys, nandito ako, I'm earning from the comfort of my home. Hindi na ako nagtatrabaho. Ang dami ko ng tulog. I'm healthy na ako ngayon, hindi na ako nagkasakit, and I'm earning 4-figure even when I'm sleeping. The beauty in this business guys, wala tayong direct selling, hindi tayo magbibenta dito, no recruiting, no shipping, walang inventory, no quota, dahil ang system ay gumagawa dyan sa atin. Mostly na 90% of the heavy lifting is done by automation, meaning kahit tulog ka, kahit nasa bakasyon ka, kahit busy ka sa mga trabaho mo o sa pamilya mo, ang business na ito ay mag-work sa background even when you are busy or busy with your family or nagbakasyon ka. Pagbalik mo guys sa bakasyon, yung mailbox mo punong-puno ng mga income mo sa business. Isn't that amazing? Kaya guys, kung ikaw ay interesado, mag-connect ka lang sa akin. Register to my website at www.gretchenpudyutan.com. Watch our free 20 minutes webinar. After watching, you will be able to decide if this opportunity is right for you or direct message me for more information. Okay? I'm here to inspire you guys. So, I hope I inspired you. Bye for now.